Hello all, it's Bukenya Ernest here, and I'm going to show you this application that allows us to add, view and delete some information from our Microsoft Access database. So we're going to first try it out, see how it works, then we dive into the explanations. So what you're seeing here right now is a form where we pick information from, and it has a table which will show us the information which is in the Microsoft Access. Right now it's blank because our database has nothing, but as you go on adding items, it should be able to show us those items here. So let's start. Let me say we have one book, and then we call it the 4-hour work week. And then we say the author Timothy Ferris. Let me say he wrote that book in 2004. Right. So once we add this book here, we're having an error. JDBC access given file doesn't exist. Books that yep. So just check our access database name. Yep. Okay, let me just rename this database to supposed to be paste here. Get these out, delete them. Okay, we should fix it. So record added successfully. Yeah, so now we've added our record successfully, but we don't have it anywhere here. So we'll just click on refresh and see our information is here. Let's just check in the database that we just put here to be sure that. Click on books, then go to book management. See, there's info in our database, which is good. Now we're going to check and see, can we delete this info from our database? Click on it, click on delete. Are you sure this is record? Yes, record deleted. Okay, but still it's here. What we're going to do is click on refresh, and there's nothing. So that is the application that we came up with, and I'm just going to explain to you briefly how we came up with this application. Another thing that you might have noticed is that when you enter a book, for example, another book created by teacher in 2004, when you create another book like this, it will go in a database, but then after that you'll see this cursor will go automatically to book ID, and it will wait for another entry. There will be nothing here. Click on refresh, you have your book there. That's also something we're going to explain now. Let's get right into it. So we have our form here. Inside our form we have our JText fields here, and then we have our labels, yes, and then we have our pen here, but this is a titled pen. To come up with this titled pen, you right click, you click on the pen, then you go to properties, and then you go to border. It's here. You click on border, you can move this. Right. Click on border, and then you go to title border. That's how we were able to come up with this title border here. And then this is just our title. It's a J label, and then we have our table here. Now, looking at this button for adding, when you double click on the button, it takes you to where the button is. Inside this, we create a string variable for the title, author, and the year. We are leaving out the book ID because it's auto-generated. In case you forget to put in, the number will be there always. So, and where can we start from? Here. So we have our class here, book management.java. Inside our book class, we have initialized components, and this book class extends a JFrame because the JFrame serves as the main window for the book management application. It contains components like buttons, text fields, and the table for displaying book details. All these components are inside there. So we initialize our components with this method, which initializes the UI. And then we have a JPen, as you've seen, that blue background. And then we have JLabels, for example, that one which displays the book management. Then we have the titled pen that I've just showed you how to create the titled pen. Inside the titled pen, we had a book ID, title, author, and the year. And we had a J button to add and to refresh and to delete. Now, we've looked at all those features when I was explaining how this works. Then we look at the connectivity now. Inside here, we go to inside our main. We go to we start from here. We create a class inside our button to add the action URL JDBC Java database connectivity you can access. Then this is the URL where the database is. Now, when you just create this project, like a new project, file, you go to new project, and then you say Java, and then you go to Java application, next, then it can be like explainer. I'll create this new project. This new project here, you come in the new project, and then you go to source packages, you create a Java package, and you like Victoria University. That will be my package. So inside my package, this is where I'll create my JFrame form, and then I'll call it book management. Now, I finish creating this. It will create this form. As you can see, double tapping on it, it will show you where you go to source. It will show you the auto-generated code, which is inside here, and you have the main method to work with, and you have these components already initialized for you. Yeah. Now, after doing that, you'll find that in your libraries we only have the JDK 1.8, so we want to add more libraries. So to do this, we go to the net, and then you look for you can access. You download this. After downloading it down to your downloads, you can get it here. You extract it. After extracting it, you come inside here, you look for you can access, you copy it, you paste it inside here. After pasting it inside there, you then go back You then go back to, where is it here. You then go back inside here, your libraries, then you say add jar folder, then you navigate to up to where these files are, click on one, Ctrl A, open all of them, and then you import all the libraries. They will be good to go. Once you've done that, you will then be able to use the You Can Access driver here. Now, this is the statement that helps us to connect to the database here. It helps us connect with it. Actually, after here, you can even comment and say maybe system out print time, then database connection successful. App connects us to the database. Now, this statement helps us to insert into the book management table. Insert into the book management table the title, author, and the years, and then we get the values inside there. That is for adding. Now, looking up here, we have this method called table update. We created this function here to make us able to update, because as you notice, when you add information through here to this form, it doesn't appear automatically. You have to click refresh so that it appears. It brings back information from the database, and this is the code that makes that possible. If you wanted it to happen in real time, you have to copy this function and then you put it somewhere here, maybe somewhere here in the add, not inside, delete inside the add. I commented it out here. So you can put it inside here like that, so that every time you enter information here, it goes directly there. We can just try it out briefly and see. Click there, wait for it to run. It comes up. Say 3 little boys, then 22. Say add, record added successfully. It appears there and then. Alright, and that is it from me. Thank you so much.